Bitcoin trades above $46,500 as Bitcoin ETF excitement gets feverish. SEC chairman issues crypto warning as industry awaits ETF decision. Bitcoin could hit $200,000 by December 2025, says Standard Chartered Bank. Volkswagen to launch cars with ChatGPT-powered assistant by mid-2024. VanEck Bitwise prep over $200 million in advance of Bitcoin ETF approval. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VD markets traded higher as investors are excited and have already started celebrating the most awaited event, the launch of Spot Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. Bitcoin advanced above $46,650 levels. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 5.8% at 58,000 points. Apparently, Bitcoin price surged past the $47,100 mark earlier, reaching levels not seen since April 2022 and also inching closer to the coveted $50,000 milestone. The largest and original cryptocurrency rose sharply from $43,200 to a fresh 19-month high of $47,192 during the US trading session. In an interesting news, there has been a lot of whale activity witnessed in the leading smart contract platform Ethereum, where crypto whales have accumulated nearly 410,000 ETH worth approximately $1 billion in the month of December. Moving on, data from the leading XRP ledger XRP Scan revealed that the number of active XRP wallets has surpassed 5 million for the first time in its history. Furthermore, for the month of December, sales of XRP reached a mark of $142 million, which is 3 times more than the cryptocurrency's monthly average. Recent data shows that the aggregate trading volume of 2 largest Bitcoin mining companies, Riot Platforms and Marathon Digital, was $3.55 billion, with Marathon Digital securing the position as top traded stock in the United States with a volume of 112 million total shares. Meanwhile, as the market awaits the approval of Bitcoin ETF, Solana-based meme coin Bonk made a reappearance in the market, rising 10% in the past 24 hours, outperforming other meme coins such as DogeCoin and Shiba Inu due to Solana's growing popularity, which indicated rising on-chain trading volumes and network fees surpassing those of Ethereum, reports highlighted. The global crypto market cap was at $1.72 trillion mark, increasing 5% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes increased by 39% to $82 billion. While there's optimism in the market about SEC approving most applications, as several applicants have submitted their final registration of securities amendments for a spot Bitcoin ETF. As per market observers, the 19B4 filings were pouring onto the SEC website. We are seeing the rub-off effect on the broader markets. Many large-cap tokens such as XRP, Solana, Cardano, DogeCoin, etc. have joined the party. Meanwhile, SEC Chair Gary Gensler has warned investors about hazards of getting into digital assets. Investors are in no mood to take note of Gensler's apprehension. Instead, they eagerly await SEC giving green light for an ETF launch. US stock futures traded lower after the major averages popped to start the week. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures fell 0.21%, while S&P 500 futures dipped 0.22%. Nasdaq 100 futures also traded lower by 0.3%. Bitcoin was trading at $46,630, up by 6.4%. If we talk about Ethereum, the second largest crypto, it was up by 3.8%, trading at $2,297. On my left, BNB was up by 2.3% to trade at $304. Next on the list, Solana Sol was up 12.3% and was trading at $100.7. If we talk about Cardano's ADA token, it was up by 6% to trade at $0.51. And Avalanche's AVAX was trading at $36.6, higher by 12%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 5% to trade at $0.81. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 2.5% at $0.079. And if we talk about Shiba Inu, it was trading up by 4.2%. On the other hand, Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.56, up by 2%, and Polkadot was also up by 7% to trade at $7.4.
Thank you, Vishaka, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. SEC Chairman Gary Gensler has issued a stark warning about investing in volatile crypto assets, offering investors a few tips and a few things to keep in mind. The remarks from Gensler comes as the broader market waits for the Securities and Exchange Commission's decision about the spot Bitcoin ETF applications. Gensler posted the warning on X, urging investors to be cautious when investing in crypto and mindful of the risk involved and the current regulatory landscape. In his post, Gensler stated that investing in crypto is incredibly risky thanks to high volatility and highlighted the fact that several crypto platforms had become insolvent or lost significant value. He also added that companies that may be offering crypto asset services and investments may not be in compliance with applicable laws, including federal securities law. While Gensler did not mention anything about the proposed spot Bitcoin ETFs, the thread's timing raised plenty of eyebrows in the crypto space. While the financial world waits to see when and which Bitcoin spot ETF applications receive approval, Standard Chartered Bank issued a prediction on Monday that the price of Bitcoin will top $200,000 by the end of 2025. If ETF-related inflows materialize as we expect, we think an end 2025 level closer to is possible, the head of financial research at Standard Chartered Bank, Geoffrey Kendrick, said in a note to investors. Kendrick said that the 2025 prediction is consistent with their previous estimates of $100,000 by the end of 2024. Bitcoin ETFs track the current price of Bitcoin and are designed to follow Bitcoin's price swings, giving investors exposure without the need to buy and store the digital asset itself. Bitcoin ETFs are managed by an investment firm that holds the Bitcoin. German automobile manufacturing giant Volkswagen plans to integrate OpenAI's ChatGPT chatbox into its cars as early as mid-2024. On January 9th, Volkswagen presented vehicles featuring ChatGPT-powered voice assistant at the CES 2024 trade show in Las Vegas. The cars are expected to launch in North America and Europe by the second quarter of 2024. ChatGPT will help Volkswagen's built-in voice assistant to have back-and-forth dialogue with car occupants. Most importantly, the Volkswagen assistant will be able to interpret and respond to a range of non-conventional commands. For example, the assistant can raise the temperature upon hearing, "I am feeling cold." While Volkswagen claimed to be the first volume manufacturer to introduce AI voice assistant as a standard feature, competitors including General Motors and Mercedes-Benz have previously experimented with ChatGPT. Volkswagen developed this ChatGPT integrated voice service in partnership with American software company Serenes. Vanek and Bitwise said the two investment firms are seeding their Bitcoin ETFs with $72.5 million and $500,000 respectively, according to S1 documents filed with the SEC on Monday. S1 forms disclose important information to the financial regulator, such as the company's business model, financial statements, details about its management team, and any legal or competitive risk. Seeding or seed capital refers to funds provided to launch an exchange-traded fund, while banks and broker-dealer often provide seed capital. ETFs can self-seed with the new capital or existing assets, as in this case. In addition to its $500,000 seed basket, Bitwise, which claims to be the largest crypto index fund manager in America, is offering up a $200 million investment opportunity with investment firm Pantera Capital among potential purchases. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have XRP. The number of active XRP wallets has surpassed 5 million for the first time, with containing 99.98 billion tokens and a fully diluted valuation of $56.41 billion. 40.5 billion tokens are under lock with escrow services, while 59.46 billion are in circulation. Ripple holds the top 12 most prominent wallets holding XRP, with approximately 40 billion tokens locked in escrow and 5 billion in spendable wallets. Since December 26, 2023, the XRPL has been experiencing facing significant network strain due to a surge in transaction volume, with Magnetic X, a leading DEX project on the XRPL, revealing a possible distributed denial of service attack on social media. XRP was trading at $0.5, up near 3% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have USDT. The stablecoin total value locked on the Tron blockchain reached a record high of around $48 billion in the second half of 2023, with 94% of its total value belonging to USDT. Tron has maintained its position as the leading blockchain for USDT, surpassing Ethereum by 8% in terms of TVL. Tether, one of the earliest fiat-backed stablecoins in the crypto market, initially launched on Bitcoin's Omni-chain and expanded to Ethereum. Ethereum has a more balanced mix of USDT and USDC on-chain, while Tron primarily uses USDT transactions with limited diversification. Tron contracts consume the majority of on-chain energy, accounting for 95.6% of all contracts, indicating that Tron is primarily used for USDT transactions. Despite a moderate increase in USDT volume, Tron Scan reports 130% growth in the number of USDT holders over the same period. Next on the list, we have Cardano. Cardano, a blockchain, has seen a surge in developer activity with an average of 449 daily developments in the last 30 days on GitHub. This activity, along with other networks like Hedera, Polkadot, and Cosmos, boosts investor confidence in Cardano's sustainability. However, the network's decentralized finance ecosystem has experienced a decline in engagement and trading volume, with a 0.62% rise in the last 24 hours and 21.58% decline in trading volumes. Interestingly, Indigo also holds a 23.94% of the DeFi share, indicating the evolving dynamics within the network. ADA was trading at $0.52, up near 7% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Litecoin. Litecoin has become the most used crypto for payments for the second consecutive month in December, outperforming all major assets including Bitcoin. Litecoin's share of global payments surged to 38.25%, its all-time high. Bitcoin's market share dropped from 30.55% to 23.24%, with Litecoin scooping a significant portion. Litecoin's transaction count increased significantly in December, reaching a peak of 1.27 million daily transactions on December 20th. The USD value of coins transferred on-chain also saw a significant increase, with Litecoin's transfer volume averaging around $2.7 billion, the highest since July. The significant milestone highlights the growing popularity of Litecoin over other cryptocurrencies. Litecoin was trading at $67, up near 4% in the last 24 hours. Last on the list, we have Shiba Inu. The Shiba Inu development team is set to undergo a significant burn of its meme coin, resulting in an estimated 9.25 trillion Shiba Inu tokens. This follows a series of smaller burns in recent months and is ahead of a major upgrade to the network. The team has incarnated over 36 billion SHIB tokens in the past 2 months, funded by transaction fees generated within the Shibarium ecosystem. The upcoming burn is expected to exceed these figures dramatically, with an estimated 101.5 trillion SHIB on the line for destruction. The team is also shifting their burning strategy with the introduction of automated SHIB burns starting in January. This automation is expected to streamline the process and increase the frequency and volume of burns. Shiba Inu was trading at 5% up in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.